Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Ram Das Ji in Rag Suhi, Ang 735 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Today's Hukamnama reminds us of one simple yet profound truth, that there is only one creator and everything happens through his grace. सूही महला चौथा कार सतवां। एक ओंकार सदगुरु प्रसाद, वन यूनिवर्सल क्रिएटर वाहिगुरु गॉड बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ द ट्रू गुरु। तेरे कवन कवन गुण कह कह गावा, तू साहिब गुणी निदाना, विच मीन्स which of your glorious virtues should I sing and recount, Lord? O Lord, which of your glorious virtues should I sing and recount? You are my Lord and Master, the treasure of excellence. Guruji further says, Tumri mehma baran na saku, tu Thakur uch Bhagwana. I cannot express your glorious praises. You are my Lord and Master, lofty and benevolent. When I first read this, I paused and thought, how do we even begin to count Vaheguru's virtues when they are infinite? And that's when the vastness of the universe came to mind. Now imagine this. Our Earth is a part of solar system with just one star, the Sun. This solar system is just a tiny speck in our galaxy, the Milky Way, which has about 100 to 400 billion stars. Okay, now zoom out even further. Scientists estimate that there are 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. 2 trillion. And each galaxy has billions of stars. Now, if the entire observable universe were of the size of Earth, our Milky Way galaxy would be smaller than just a single grain of sand, and Earth practically invisible. But here what's amazing, even in this infinite universe, Vaheguru Ji gave us the gift to love, to create, and the ability to connect with Him. Doesn't that make you feel special? Like you are a part of something so grand, yet so personal. So I'm sharing a story of a drop in the ocean. So there was a little. She stood at the edge of the ocean with a small cup. She started filling that cup with water. Now someone asked her, "What are you doing here?" She said, "I am taking the ocean home." So we all are like that little girl, trying to capture the greatness of Vaheguru in our small cups of understanding. But here's the thing, even a single drop of that ocean contains the essence. And every time we show kindness, we show patience or love, we reflect a part of Vaheguruji's infinite virtues. So how can we connect today's Hukamnama in our lives? By practicing great gratitude. Today when you have your meal, just thank him. Thank him for whatever he has given to us. Then showing the kindness. Maybe today someone says you something hurtful. Just practice forgiveness. Don't react. Just forgive. It's not easy, but it's very powerful. Then wonder. Because when we wonder, we are in present moments. When you look at the stars tonight, think of Vaheguruji's creativity. The same creator who made galaxies also made you. Doesn't that fill us with awe? So this reminds me of Gurbani's truth. Ek Onkar. We all are connected. We all are connected through that Vaheguru, through that creator. Our actions, small or big, send ripples across the universe. So when you smile at someone or help someone in need, you are creating waves of goodness that travel farther than you can imagine. So my dear friends, today's Hukamnama teaches us that while we may not understand Vaheguruji's greatness, we can still reflect his virtues in our actions. Just like the stars light up the night sky, or small acts of kindness and gratitude bring light into this world. So today, just ask yourself, what's one virtue of Vaheguru that I can embody? Is it love? Is it forgiveness? Is it kindness? Is it patience? Whatever it is, live it fully. And tonight, when you look at the stars, remember this, you are the part of Vaheguruji's infinite masterpiece. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।